So let's solve a question. This is the most complex question I can think of, which can come from a mold filling type concept. So we need to estimate the time to fill the mold and obviously assume something and excess is maintained constant, that is this level, and time to fill runner is negligible. Time to fill the runner is negligible. Rho m, that is the density of the mold, is given. Friction factor F value is given. So obviously they are not telling to assume ideal case friction is there. So we need to take all the friction values and use the coefficient of discharge which we have derived earlier. So this concept will be useful. This CD will be used now. EF is given, beta is given, L by D equivalent at 90-degree turns are given as 25, and below YY, EF enlarging. Enlarge is over here from small area to enlarging area. EF is 0. Above YY, above this plane YY, the EF value will be 1. So now you should be able to think that there are two EF values and all things are given. First, we need to split and find out the time to fill the mold below YY plane, and then time to fill the mold above YY plane. For the first case where we need to fill the below YY plane, it is almost top filling, and the formula is going to be very simple in that case. TF1 will be volume by AG into VG. VG will be CD square root of 2G HT. Beta EF, all values are given to us. And hence, as I put the values, my CD comes out to be 0.83. And I use the CD value to figure out CD value. One of the CD value comes out for the first case, which is filling below YY plane. For filling above YY plane also, I figure out the values of CD because all the factors are given. Beta, EF, F value, all the things are given. So both the CD values are with me now. Coefficient of discharge. Now VG1 will be 201 and mold filling type in that case will be some 14.92 seconds. Okay, it's simple now. Volume is given. We can easily figure out the volume pi d square by pi d square h, volume of the cylinder, and in the denominator we have Ag Vg into the CD. Here TF2 will be 1 upon CD square CD2, and the formula is a bit different. That formula comes from side filling of a mold, the time derivation which we have done earlier, and from that the TF2 comes out to be around 11 seconds. Hence the total time to fill this mold, which is a complex one, the cylinder, is equal to 26 seconds. So that's what we have, the two times we have added, and we'll stop over here. Thank you.